This tastes amazing.
Hi guys, welcome back to Gems in the Kitchen. What is it like that? Welcome back to. Hey guys, welcome back to Gems in the Kitchen. We are making the infamous baked roasted tomato cheese pasta dish. But of course, my way. So basically what's going on the internet is everybody's roasting tomatoes with a block of feta cheese, and then they just kind of mix it together with herbs and garlic with pasta and have a delicious, almost effortless dinner or lunch or snack. And I want to make it, but again, with my little twist on it. So here we go. I used 1.5 of these because these were really small. 1.5 of these is about 15 ounces of Cherub Heavenly salad tomatoes. Okay. And then instead of feta cheese, I am using a cashew cheese and a sun-dried tomato garlic cashew cheese to be precise. I'm going to add some cheese that I already have here. This is some mature cheddar sliced cheese. That's going to be good. With some garlic. Look at this garlic. Look at this garlic. These are 2 cloves of garlic. It's big. That's why it's called elephant garlic, I guess. But 2 cloves of garlic, which would really be like 5 normal cloves of garlic, salt and pepper, olive oil, and some pasta. Let's get into this. Did I mention shallots? Also, shallots getting in here. And toss them into our pan of tomatoes. Thick slices of our garlic as well. Okay, so we've got our shallots coarsely chopped, our garlic coarsely chopped, and 1.5 pints of little baby tomatoes. Grape tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. We're gonna season it with Italian seasoning, extra virgin olive oil, fresh black pepper, some fine kosher salt, and then put our cheeses in the middle right before we put it in the oven to roast at 425 for about 20 minutes. So I have 8 ounces of cheese, about 13 ounces of tomatoes with olive oil, a sprinkle of fresh black pepper, and some Italian seasoning, some shallots, thick cut garlic, and yeah, I think it's ready to go in the 425 oven for about 25 minutes. So what they do on the internet is they like mix it up and toss herbs in it and with the cooked pasta. Nah, we can do better than that. My mouth is watering. This smells so good. We're gonna go ahead and toss this in the Vitamix with some almond milk, maybe even a little vegan Parmesan, and then we'll toss it with some freshly cooked pasta. Wow, that's so good. We gonna get it out the bottom ASAP. We gonna get it out the bottom mix ASAP. This is so good. You have to try it. Oh my gosh.
It reminds me of like a vodka sauce, or almost like a Alfredo and a parm. It is so good. This reminds me of a tomato bisque. A really good. Oh my god. I could eat this with crusty bread and be a happy girl. But let's toss it in the pasta. Okay, here's our pasta. We're gonna go ahead and add our sauce. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's time to taste. It's like Italian, like a tomato mac and cheese, like a, I don't know, I feel like I've done something. I did it. Oh my god. That was hot. Creamy, tomatoey. The pasta's cooked perfectly. You have to try it. Please tell me what you think. I'm gonna eat while it's still hot. So good.